Welcome to CyberTheo. Today, we're exploring the top 3 best headphones on the market right now. Let's get started. Step 1. Sony WH-1000XM4. Why it's great, known for its exceptional noise-canceling capabilities and superb sound quality. Features: offers up to 30 hours of battery life, touch controls, and a comfortable design. Highlights: the noise cancellation adapts to your environment, making it perfect for travel and office use. Step 2. Bose Quiet Comfort 45. Why it's great, renowned for its comfortable fit and effective noise cancellation. Features: delivers 24 hours of battery life, with a balanced sound profile suitable for all music genres. Highlights: provides an aware mode to let in ambient sounds when needed. Step 3. Sennheiser HD660S. Why it's great, ideal for audiophiles seeking high-fidelity sound. Features: open-back design for a wide soundstage and detailed audio reproduction. Highlights: lightweight and durable, perfect for extended listening sessions at home. And that's it. The top 3 best headphones you can get right now. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching CyberTheo.